throw a basket and put your names into the tag. That's such a cute tattoo.
Thank you. I'm actually getting a big octopus tattoo soon on the other arm.
Nice.
Perfect for the octopus farm, except for going today.
Well, maybe you just have to go back.
I will, just to show it off to the octopuses.
Hey, look what I got. I wonder if they'd be confused with that. Like if you went to go touch an octopus and on your arm there's an octopus.
If the tattoo artist was really good.
If the tattoo artist was really good, I guess that's true.
Oh my goodness. So this is a male, huh?
That is a male, yeah.
He's a chubby one.
The question I haven't asked is, how much?
How much? So it goes between $200 to $800 for a pair.
Oh, wow.
So some of these ones, so like these kind of yellowy ones, these guys are like the most common colors. So these guys run about 200. The pintos, these guys over here.
This is Olena. And I'm Isaac.
We're moving to Hawaii!
But first,
We're driving from New York City to Seattle
with Smiley, our 9-year-old rescue pitty.
in our Tesla Model 3, equipped for camping.
And we are funding this trip with our Etsy store.
Meaning we are bringing around 50,000 earrings.
And 500 envelopes.
And our label printer.
On this 11-day cross-country road trip.
Subscribe to the Travel Bug Bite today!
So we found out that this is actually the Hawaii Science and Technology? What's that? Park?
Science Technology Park.
So that's why all the fun sciencey sea stuff is here.
Actually, it's Ocean Science Technology Park.
Ocean. And yeah, so they have both the Octopus Museum and the Seahorse farm. They're both farms actually, not museums. And yeah, I'm excited to see how this works. So we get to feed the seahorses and hold them on our fingers. I don't trust you, Isaac.
Why?
You have bad morals.
I have good morals.
No, you don't. What are you doing?
Washing my hands,
And your elbows?
and my arms, and my everything.
Everything?
Well, they tell you to do this because people have been out all day wearing sunscreen and whatnot, so they don't want me to get all that in the thing socks, I guess.
They sell poo.
Who?
Poo.
Who?
Poop. Look. Poop.
You guys are very close. This is a shrimp pond. So the shrimp that are living in this pond are super teeny tiny. If you look back around the shade and down here, you might be able to see size are actually an endemic species to Hawaii, which means they're found nowhere else in the world. And there is that if you bought sea monkey eggs off the back of a comic book in the 70s, if you still have those eggs, you can still hatch them. The current guess is that these are good for about 10,000 years. All you need is salt water and so go ahead and take a bite of this stuff. There's a green seaweed and a red seaweed here. And if you guys have eaten poke while you've been here in Hawaii, you've already eaten that red seaweed. Nutrients? And there's actually scientific correlation between cultures that eat a lot of seaweed, like us here in Hawaii, and less instances of thyroid disease and certain types of cancers. But the reason we have seaweed growing on a seahorse farm is not only because it's our own personal seaweed buffet, but this stuff is a phenomenal example. Backyard. Exactly. So, when we would feed these guys, we would also offer them this frozen shrimp. What you guys just fed them is frozen mysis shrimp. This is a shrimp that comes from freshwater lakes in Canada.
chilling there.
Just feeling super.
Time.
I don't think it'll sting you.
It didn't sting me. I touched it. I didn't stick my finger all the way in there, but I just touched the tip.
Yeah, there are a lot of anemones in here, and I just don't think they're really big enough to cause any damage to us.
One of the fish needed down here.
Yeah. Sometimes when the flow is a little too high and we have some
They
fry
dive
here,
They go for a long swim.
Yeah.
Patrick.
I like the hug.
Patrick. His name actually is Patrick.
Of course it is.
Of course.
Yep.
Isaac, how do you feel about this?